Hey folks, it's been a while since I've actually put a video out. I went and got myself a job. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just show you how I'm using chunking just to accelerate the development of a Make a Will course. Here's some truncated versions of probably going to be a 21 section course, total length, probably 40 minutes. And also, if you have not got a will, every Thursday night in Thunder Bay, from 6 to 7:30 at the St. Joseph's Heritage, I'm doing a will webinar. So come out and do this thing live in real life. If you can't do it, check out these videos. They'll be all up and done by the end of the month, but they're mostly all done right now. So just anyways, here's some chunking for you.
Making a will is one of the clearest ways to show care for yourself and for the people you love. It's not a difficult conversation, and it's not something to put off for someday. It's simply a practical, positive step that brings your plans together.
Now that you've chosen the person who will carry out your plan, it's time to talk about the next layer of your will, the part that makes sure the right people and organizations receive exactly what you want them to have. This section is
You've done the thoughtful work. Now it's time to make your will official. This step is called execution, which simply means signing and witnessing your document so it becomes legally valid. It's the final action that transforms your will from...
Before we move on to the next legal section of your will, let's pause for a moment to talk about something just as important, your funeral plans. This part isn't about formality or paperwork. It's about how you'd...
Yeah, so those 4 examples are basically all built out of Canva templates. And I'm using 2 things. I'm using the whiteboard, but then I'm also using a presentation. And what I'm doing is I'm building certain assets on the whiteboard that I can then download as backgroundless PDF or PNGs. But the presentation itself, I'm just duplicating a lot of sections. And then the voices themselves are done through ElevenLabs. And what this is doing is getting me up and running quickly at a very low cost, very rapidly. And the goal here is to eventually replace all of these AI voices with individuals who are doing the work. So there you go. That's a little quick example of how I'm using chunking to accelerate or be more productive. So there you go. Happy November.